Hi there. I'm here to repair my iPhone, 2G iPhone, first generation iPhone, with its broken glass. You can see it. It got a broken glass. Yeah, I'm gonna repair the glass only, just the glass. Um, some guys says that it is impossible to repair just the glass. So you have to pay all the kit, the glass and the LCD and the digitizer. But I think that this is a cheaper way to get your iPhone like a new one. So I'm gonna try it just cause I get another one, another working one, not just like this. So if even if everything goes bad, I will be fine. Great. All you need is just some scissors or those things to clean your hands. I don't know just how those things are called. How to say this in English, but I think you can understand what those are. Yeah, just then a new iPhone glass. You can buy a cheaper one at dinodirect.com. I paid this just $2.90, €3. It's a really cheaper one. So the first thing you have to do is to remove all the broken glass. Okay, you have to be very careful because you do not have to break the LCD. So you have to try to remove this the glass without without doing anything wrong or broke any pixel, or you'll get or a broken LCD or touch screen, or in the better way some dead pixels. Okay, just begin. Okay, let's begin. I think I have to say let's start, but it's the same. Okay. I forgot to say that after you have to glue to stick the new glass with those super glue like super attak or cianoacrilate one. I think that it's better not to buy a cheap glue because you can pay this with another broken screen. Okay, let's give it a try. Hmm. Yeah, you can use some paper to get all the glass, so you'll be sure that all the glass you got is not around. It is a long operation and you have to get very careful like this. That it seems like the Apple doesn't use some better glue. You know, great. There is a lot of junk in there. I don't know if you can see. Trust me, there's a lot of this fucking shit. Be very careful, because this is broken glass, so you can hurt yourself very easily. I think that there is some kind of tape under the glass. I think it's better not to remove that tape. So after we can glue our screen on that tape. Great. Part of the screen is gone. Now I got that. You know, I used my phone for months after breaking the glass, so I can remove it very easily. As you can see, I got some big pieces of my screen. Yes, yes. This, and I'm done. I think you should wear some protective glasses or similar, because those glass broke into very little pieces. I think you can cut your hands very easily. Great. Here it is. A new iPhone. It is a working iPhone 2G. Let's see if the touch screen works, as you can see, without the glass. You know, it's working. It's a working one. It's a jailbroken iPhone. Now you have to clean your iPhone deeply, because you have to remove all that junk that's an iPhone. This is a first generation iPhone, and you know this has been used for years, and along those years it have been carried too much junk in there. So let's take the new glass. It is not a real glass. It is more like a plastic wrap. Yeah, maybe it will be. I can. It will last longer. I hope it will last longer. Looks like it doesn't need any wash, any clean. But who knows? Be careful when you. Okay, you have to set it in the right position, just like the way you can when you talk to your phone, the screen will become black. Okay, I think you have to go this way. Yeah. Looks like new. Okay. It won't come out. Looks like working great. You know, I don't even glued it, but look, it works. It works great. Thank you. Okay, now it's time to glue it. I think that made a bad move. You know, but you know, there was glue under the screen. Maybe it stays in position without. I would like to glue it. Okay, see you after I reach the goal. Okay, I removed the screen and now I'm ready to glue it. Guys, be with me. Okay, be careful to set the on button in the right position, so you will have still a way to use it. You know, maybe you have to wash your hands before. Okay, you can try it either using your nails and not the skin part of your finger. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Throat or there. You know, you have to apply, I think, pressure for about 15-20 seconds. Just the way the glue can act its can do its work. Great. I think we got it. You will got 4 beautiful fingerprints on your new repaired iPhone. And it works great. Yeah. You wanna try? Here it is. It's a working iPhone 2G with just $3 and 20 minutes of your life. Good luck. And now I say, just fuck those guys who says your phone won't work repairing it in this way. So good luck and Emo sucks. Metal rocks. Rocks.